Hey guys, mowers and blowers here again. Today's a nice sunny day. I was thinking about this a lot, and you know, the cover itself is still in good shape, right? It's just the top part. Looks like there's been a rip, and that bar just popped out when the weight came down on it. And so I was thinking, I did say that, you know, this was unsalvageable, but now that I really think about it, right? You guys remember, I didn't actually extend the legs because I only needed halfway high. So there's actually another length of bar in there. So if I just like took that off, took the piece that stuck inside that area there, I could just pull it out and stick it back in again. I only need it halfway high, right, just to cover the machines. So maybe I'm going to work on, you know, getting this snow off of here. It's all kind of frozen on here. I took some of it off already. I'm going to crawl in there and punch it, you know, from the bottom so that it cracks, and then just take the pieces off. That's a lot easier. So I'm going to give that a try and see if we can get this baby fixed. Alright, so I bent some of those bars back, and seems like it's okay. I think I'm just gonna go and reinforce the inside. It's not that bad, actually. So there's a hold here which doesn't allow, once you try to push up the top, it goes through the hole. So I have to either fix the hole or put some kind of square thing on top so at least it holds it up. Then it'll leak, you know, if it rains. But show you the bar here. This bar is bent. That joint screwed up too, bent. This stuff looks kind of alright. You see there's a little bit of a bend there. That one's bent. But maybe I'll be able to get this up again. We'll see. Hopefully I'll be able to save it. Taking the sides off. What would we do without duct tape, huh? No, that didn't work. Let's see. Alright, got it somewhat up. I raised it one click, so now the bend is not at the pressure point. See? I'm going to reinforce that area there, of course. But that part was inside the shaft, you know what I'm saying? So now it's out, it's pulled out like 5 inches lower, so that it has a solid joint there at the pressure point for the bend. That just needs to be done. Did the same thing on that side there, see? See that stud that sticks out on the bottom? Well, it should be in that hole above there, see? So it's now that bent part is not at the pressure point, but now lower, so that's why it's standing up. So I think this will last for a little bit, but you know, you got to do what you can. At least it's up so it can keep the babies dry. I'll work on it a little bit, but I guess it's salvageable. See you guys next time, Mowers and Blowers.